So have you ever tried to compare them, like for business outreach, I would ask how far superior is LinkedIn? I think you are having better results there, right?
Yeah, I would say for B2B outreach, LinkedIn is the killer. There's just so many people there. As long as it's, B2C doesn't work so well on LinkedIn because it's just not relevant. But B2B, where you're talking about kind of professional businesses, marketing, say marketing agencies, consultants, SaaS, all those professional services types of solutions, you've just got a global audience who are, if you're using the right signals, active and using the platform, and you get 100% deliverability. Whereas if you are trying to send cold emails to like a list of marketing agencies, the data's always out of date, your emails go into spam, all these types of things. Whereas LinkedIn is just like 100% deliverability. If you can choose a timely message and optimize for that intent signal, you just get incredible results.
Yeah, and it's interesting. Like now, also talking about it, I think at least also I would say in the more indie hacker space that I'm following a lot in the builder space, there are a lot of discussion around, do paid ads pay, basically? And I've said, especially when budget is tight, you would always advocate for kind of LinkedIn outreach or something like. How do you feel? How different is it actually? How much better is it working? And also maybe actually where does your company fit in, basically, if a founder needs help?
Yeah, sure. No, it's a good question. I mean, I've experimented with ads across a whole range of different, businesses that I've worked at. And I think if you have big budgets, ads are definitely part of that budget. But I think if you're a smaller startup, SaaS or agency or something along those lines, ads are just kind of spray and hope. They really are, unless you got some incredible data that maybe you're able to kind of capture and build around. But to be able to do that level of targeting and everything, you're going to have an agency, you're going to be spending $5,000 a month. Where Ghost fits in is it's like $129 per month, and you can hit 500 people a month with messages through LinkedIn around very specific intent signals. So as I said, like I send 500, get 250 people into my network, getting close to 100 people have conversations with me for, that very, 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 very small cost. So I think comparable to ads, it's just a no-brainer. Like you should be doing outreach first and using that as a sales initiative.
Yeah, and I believe especially really early on, I mean, you need to talk to these customers anyway. I mean, you don't want
Yeah.
anonymous customers on your system. So that's what I would think. You want to talk to them. You want to understand how they are using it, what they like, what they don't like, all these kind of things.